Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 72 cents was that key level, and you can see that earlier on in the day when the price ultimately did break down below it right there. That pretty much opened up the floodgates of momentum to the downside, and down it went. So if there is any sort of continued bounce back to the upside next week, then yes, without doubt, public enemy number one is going to be right there at the 72 cent mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, I want to squeeze things down to offer up a little bit more context here. But the next very important level to watch going forward, going to be right here at the 69 cent mark. If you go here, and the reason why that area is so important is, well, first off, it's just simply where the bleeding finally stopped today. So that's reason number one. But the second reason is, if the price were to fall down below that area, then I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to that 67 cent mark, which sure you can always say, well, that's only 2 cents away, but you're also talking about a stock that's below $1. So 2 cents from a percentage standpoint, starts to add up relatively quickly. So again, am I saying that if that level fails and it's dropping straight down to 67 within an hour? I'm not saying that. My point is that, there's a lot of space around the chart, and that there could be a whole lot more downside, momentum that forms if that 69 cent mark doesn't hold. So far, so good, though. It has held. Not just a question of can the price bounce some more, and if it can bounce, can it, get up above 72 cents? So we'll see how this all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.